want to talk a little bit about the smoke today, and as is the case with most of their caliper releases, TruFire has the fold back design, which I love. Gets it out of your way from the gear and everything else. You can keep it like that, climbing up, you're not clinging on the stands or anything else. One of the things I like about the smoke is the forward trigger. It makes it much easier to take a deep bite and get a smoother release. You never want to release from this position because you'll end up jerking the shot. From back here, it's much smoother, gives you a better release. It's a dime-sized head, and of course, it's that small dual caliper. Love this new release. One note I might add when it comes to caliper releases, you can set it up in the summer, get it to the length where it's comfortable to where you have a consistent squeeze every time. However, when you go hunting, don't forget you're going to add a glove to that, and then all of a sudden the position changes. So just before the season, if you hunt with gloves on, make sure you readjust the overall length to accommodate that glove. That's the new smoke from TruFire. Love it.
Hi, I'm Mark with TruFire, and I'd like to show you the benefits of the Patriot release. This release is adjustable through the Velcro strap, which is padded, and also the trigger pull, which is very smooth and light. It can be used as a right-handed or a left-handed model by just simply rotating the head. All of these features are also found on the Patriot Junior. So, if you're looking for an affordable and dependable release to get you out in the woods, check out the Patriot. Thanks.
Hey everyone, Ryan from TruFire Releases here to talk to you about the TruFire Hardcore Foldback. It is a open hook design with a swept back trigger. It has tilt on the head so that it allows you to not torque your bowstring. It has trigger travel adjustment, which is set through this set screw here. It has 5/8 inch length adjustment so that it gives you the opportunity to really fit it to your hand, and then once you find that proper fit, then you can lock that down. It has the TruFire foldback feature, which allows you to fold back the release out of your way when you're doing hand-oriented tasks such as rattling or climbing in and out of your stand. And then it has the TruFire trap tab, which allows you to secure the release to one hand, to your wrist, with just using one hand.